Your website traffic is dropping, but it's not your fault. Google clicks are disappearing, and AI platforms like ChatGPT are now controlling who gets seen. Imagine ranking number 1 and still losing 61% of your clicks. This is called zero-click search. But here's the kicker. Brands included in AI answers see a 35% boost in organic clicks and a 91% boost in paid clicks. The game has changed. It's no longer about ranking on Google, it's about being trusted by AI. Before we dive in, hit like, subscribe, and comment if AI is already driving traffic to your business. This is Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO. Unlike traditional AI search listings, GEO gets AI to actively recommend your business. Think of AI as your new salesperson. Here's how to get started. Build a strong digital footprint. Update your business info across Google, directories, Reddit, Facebook, and industry sites. AI checks everywhere. Answer real user questions. Forget keywords. Write content that solves actual customer problems. For example, a small business owner's guide to Illinois LLC taxes beats Chicago accounting services. Create an AI-ready FAQ. Structured, easy-to-read answers make your business referenceable by AI. Boost EEAT. Show experience with case studies, expertise in detailed guides, authority through podcasts or speaking, and trustworthiness with reviews and transparent pricing. Multiply your content with AI. Turn one blog into a podcast, LinkedIn post, or video outline to increase your presence across platforms without burning out. Track results via branded searches, traffic from AI platforms, and intake forms asking, "How did you hear about us?" Businesses using GEO see real growth in clicks and revenue. By 2026, AI will handle 25% of searches and even purchase on behalf of customers. Your digital presence must become a trusted AI database, or your business risks being invisible. Start building that database today, get recommended by AI, and dominate the next era of search. Don't wait. Take action now and make AI your new salesperson. Check out the related video in the corner to level up your AI marketing strategy.